Hey everybody, what's up? I'm Mike Wolford, and if you're new to the Dude's Kitchen or you're wondering what we are, well, we're a cooking show. What we like to do is take a classic dish and add a personal spin to it. Today we're doing chorizo breakfast burritos. Really simple. We already have the onions and bell peppers cooking. Everybody knows how to take care of those. We have a flat top pot, so we're just going to take some chorizo sausage. We're going to cut it up, put it on the flat top, and let it cook. We're going to start cutting it up from here. Kind of mashing it up so we get it all ready for cooking. I'm actually going to add just a wee bit of beer to it. Kind of keep it going. Part of our Cooking with Beer series that'll be coming up. Look how that's starting to come together. Awesome. Add a little more beer to it. Kind of gets it in there, helps it break it down. Now it's really starting to break down. Looks amazing. Oh yeah. Look at that. So let's let it do its thing. Alright, I think that's ready to add some onions to it. Bell peppers. Get it all around there. Oh yeah. We're gonna get one more item here. Old Duder got himself a refrigerator. Hash browns. These are the kind you get at like a McDonald's or wherever. I'm going to take 2 hash browns. Uno and dos. Turn them up. About 5 minutes each side, you should be good. That's looking good. We have a few more minutes and then we'll throw some eggs in there. So our chorizo is just about done. Actually, it looks like it's done. Start scooping it up. And next is the egg. We've taken the chorizo off because it was done. And unfortunately, due to the limits of my flat top, I need some more room. So, I'm going to actually make up 3 eggs that we can put off to the side, and then we're going to throw it over the chorizo as it goes into the burrito. Super simple. Grab my fork. Whisk it up. Already got my butter going. We're good there. Let's put it down. Oh, look at that. Yep. Perfect. You know how it is with eggs, they don't take very long. I think we're done. Now, old Duder here is not very good at making a burrito. So the hand you're going to see is Mrs. Duder, my lovely wife. So she's going to actually show us how to make a burrito. Let's try it out. It's actually pretty good. The chorizo in here is good. The eggs in here is good. The sriracha chili. The hash brown is good too. If you like what you saw, please hit the like button. Please remember to subscribe. If you like what you saw, please hit the like button. Please remember to subscribe and ring the bell if you want to see more episodes. Thanks for watching, everybody. And remember, the dude abides.